Bitcoin trade volume Wednesday was one of the largest ever across ETFs, spot and futures trade. Bitcoin combined for $130 billion volume yesterday. By James Van Straten, edited by Benjamin Schiller, January 23, 2025, 5:19 p.m. UTC. Bitcoin continues to trade at record levels. According to check-and-chain data, Wednesday's $130 billion Bitcoin, BTC volume, was one of the highest in its history. Trade volume has soared since President Trump won the U.S. election at the start of November, doubling from a daily average of $65 billion. Monero breakout could signal continued XMR price gains. Keep watching next video. In 1 second more videos 0 seconds of 1 minute. 12 seconds volume 0% press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Next UpSilk Rhodes Ross Ulbricht pardoned by President Trump 02:25 Subtitle settings off English font ColorWhiteFont opacity 100% font size 100% font FamilyArialCharacter EdgeNoneEdge ColorBlackBackground opacity 50% window ColorBlackWindow opacity 0% reset white black red green blue yellow magenta sign 100% 75% 50% 25% 200% 175% 150%, 125%, 100%, 75%, 50%, ArialCourierGeorgiaImpactLucida, ConsoleTahomaTimes new RomanTrebuchet MSVerdanaNoneRaisedDepressedUniformDrop. Shadow white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan and 100% 75% 50% 25% 0% white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan 100% 75% 50% 25% 0% auto 406p720 p406p270 p180p live 00:2100:5001:12 the futures market. The total traded in futures contracts yesterday saw $110 billion worth of volume. This was the fifth highest futures trade volume recorded, only bettered on a handful of days in November and December last year. The spot market saw roughly $15 billion of traded volume, which is approaching an all-time high. Meanwhile, Bitcoin ETFs saw around $5 billion worth of trade volume, which is around half the all-time high seen in March 2024. It is worth noting that options volume has not been included in the $130 billion daily volume figure, but it too is growing rapidly. According to Glassnode data, the total amount of options contracts traded in the last 24 hours is more than $3 billion. With Bitcoin is vying to be a global settlement layer, the more volume and liquidity that can be generated, the greater the asset's chance of onboarding institutions that want to settle in billions of dollars at a moment's notice.